Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Are you sometimes confused by terms like debit and credit? Or maybe you've heard of the balance sheet, but aren't quite sure what it is? Well, you're in the right place. In this brand new series, we're breaking down essential accounting terms in quick, easy-to-understand videos, all under 90 seconds. Today, we're kicking things off with the big one, accounting itself. So what exactly is accounting? Simply put, it's the systematic process of recording, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions of a business or an organization. Think of it like this. Imagine running a small lemonade stand. You need to keep track of how much lemonade you sell. That's recording. How much money you've made in total. That's summarizing. Whether you're making a profit, that's analyzing, and maybe showing your parents how your little business is doing. That's reporting. For bigger businesses, accounting becomes much more detailed, helping them make smart decisions about where to invest, how to manage their money, and how to stay profitable. It's the language of business. Accountants are the people who speak this language fluently. They help businesses understand their financial health and ensure everything is accurate and compliant with regulations. So, in a nutshell, accounting is all about understanding the flow of money in and out of a business. It provides crucial information for everyone from the business owner to investors and even the government. There you have it. Accounting explained in under 90 seconds. Was that helpful? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next term in our series. What term should we explain next? Tell me that too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.